Our universe was born from an impossibility, a tiny fluctuation in a sea of quantum uncertainty, one that could easily have canceled itself out, became the starting point for everything we know. Space, time, energy, matter, and every story that would follow. From that moment on, the improbable has been shaping reality. Stars formed from collapsing clouds that almost didn't collapse. Heavy elements were forged in supernovae, just violent enough to scatter them across the galaxy. Planets emerged from billions of chaotic collisions, and one of them cooled at exactly the right distance from its star to allow liquid water to persist. Life itself began as a series of chemical accidents that found stability. Molecules that copied themselves with flaws just frequent enough to create evolution. Every organ you have, every thought you think, is the result of mutations that were unlikely, selected by environments that were unstable, over timescales that seem almost unimaginable. Human history followed the same pattern. A single ancestor leaving Africa at the right moment. A chance discovery of fire. A random mutation enabling language. A seed falling into fertile soil creating the first agriculture. A merchant meeting a scholar and sparking a scientific revolution. A scientist dropping a piece of rubber and discovering vulcanization. A conversation, a coincidence, a moment. The improbable built our world. Civilizations rise on fragile chains of events. Climate shifts, trade routes, inventions, migrations. Had any link broken, the world you know today would be unrecognizable. And now, we stand on the edge of a new kind of improbability. One created by intelligent systems, complex networks, and global interconnectedness. Ideas spread faster than biology can mutate. Discoveries ripple across continents in seconds. One breakthrough in AI, one insight in quantum physics, one leap in biotechnology can reshape entire futures. The improbable is no longer occasional, it is accelerating. But improbability is not chaos, it is possibility. It is the space where new forms of life, new forms of intelligence, and new forms of civilization can emerge. When we look back on this moment centuries from now, if we're fortunate enough to have descendants looking back, it may be remembered as the time humanity realized that the unlikely was not a threat, but the birthplace of every advance we have ever made. See the future unfolding within you. Subscribe to Smart Reels and share this with someone who's ready to grow into theirs.